5 little ducks were ready to play, splashing in the tub at the end of the day. Rub-a-dub bubbles flew so high, floating little duckies to the sky. Quack, 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 splash, 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 bubbles popping with a happy splash. Wash your wings and scrub with care, bath time fun is everywhere. One little duck found a rubber duck, squeaky, squeaky, what good luck. 2 little ducks made bubble rings, laughing loud with happy wings. Quack, 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 splash, 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 bubbles popping with a happy splash. Wash your wings and scrub with care, bath time fun is everywhere. 3 little ducks washed beak and feet, making bath time clean and sweet. 4 little ducks played with a boat, watching it gently float and float. 5 little ducks all washed their hair, filmy bubbles everywhere. They rinsed off clean from head to toe, shining bright with a happy glow. Quack, 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 splash, 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 bath time fun in a bubbly splash. Clean and fresh, it's time to cheer. See you again tomorrow, dear. 5 little ducks said hip hooray, bath time was the best today. Wave goodbye with a happy smile, we'll sing again